was a kid, about 19, 20 years old. Got a job working in Berkeley. It's like the whole world opened up to me over here. Different kind of people, different kind of cultures. I really found myself wanting to go to work every day. It lets you see the world without going to see the world. You know, the world comes to you in this city over here. First time I heard a black guy with a British accent, it blew me away. The store is open 5 days a week, 12 to 5. A couple years ago, it was only open 3 days a week. It's picking up, but it's just not there yet. It's just enough to keep us going, but not enough to keep me going. I'm just hoping that things will turn around. Herb and I, we have the skills, the experience, we have all the knowledge of doing this. We just need customers.
Wait, on it. Linus, you broke this ribbon. No, I didn't. Yeah? It was already ripped like that. One good thing about them is that you don't have to turn them on or plug them in. I used to have a PC, but I did not like my PC one bit.
There is a wonderful way to spend time typing. You get to think about it. You get to romantically sit back and ponder what your next words are going to be, and that is a pleasant, tactile action. It actually turns writing or composing into a very specific physical process that has a soundtrack to it. Listen to this one. See, hear that heavy chunk that you hear right there? Smith Corona now. A little muted, a little softer, and now hear the Olympia. Crisp, a little solid report that comes out. That to me is a good solid work of art.